Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I just got these two in the mail just now. And one's from Tryit, one's from Pinchme, I'm assuming. Alright, so I'm going to start with this one first. Alright, let's see. Actually, I'm curious as to what's in here. Because I don't even remember everything that's... Some of the items I've requested is taking a while to come to me. Sorry, I bumped the mirror that I'm using to prop my phone up with my scissors. Alright, so, there we go. So, let's see what this is. Finally came. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so what was in the that box was the Beer Aerowick Freshmatic spray I was waiting on. Alright, so I turned this off. As you can see, I've got the Energizer batteries in there now. Alright, so I'm gonna excuse me. I'm gonna go ahead and take out what's in here, which as y'all can y'all can see, it is the right item I purchased. Ooh, almost out of this too because I have it on the highest setting. Alright, so now I am going to put the top, this in here. Just hope I'm doing this all correctly and whatnot. So you can see I'm turning it now. It is locked in. Alright. So the bottle said to have it pointed away from the face. Not putting it all the way up to the highest setting. Alright, top on, and it should spray any second. It's like I've turned it on, so I'm waiting for it to spray. I got the wild berry scent. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, that smells good. Alright, so I put the Energizer batteries that I got in the mail a few days ago, my last video. Alright, so now I'm going to put that over here. I can write the review now on both the batteries and the spray, so I'm going to give that like 4 or 5 days. Up to 4 days. Alright, so now the next item I am going to show you is what I got in the mail from Pinchme. Pinchme's also writing my back about the stuff in here. So, alright, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is, oh yes, a coupon for something in here. Alright, so, which is, ironically, the, yes, which is the, what is this supposed to begin? I've got 2 things of moisturizing body wash, which can come in handy next time I take a shower. So I'm gonna use these next time I take a shower. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna pull out is, alright, let's see here, next thing I'm gonna pull out is BioSteel Sports Hydration Mix. It's a powder mix, and I put it in a bottle of water. I think I gotta look at the instructions. Yeah, I gotta put this in a bottle of water. Ironically, this expires on my birthday it expires in my birth month next year, so I'm going to do that in a minute. Alright, the next and final item in this box is some Swedish fish, which I like. I already like Swedish fish anyway. Alright, so it's like little snack size. This is good. Alright, so basically what Pinchme is every month they have what's called Sample Tuesday. That's like once a month. They've already had Sample Tuesday for this month. I will link all down in the description. It's a website, pinchme.com. So I will put my link down in the description for Pinchme, and as well as tryit. Sorry. They gave me a coupon. If y'all don't remember, Yardley sent me a bar of soap. Which is the lavender scent up here. I think I was able to select the scent I wanted. So, and they said with this one they sent me oatmeal and almond with natural oatmeal and moisturizing and the English lavender scents. Alright, so I'm finish eating this and I'll go get that bottle of water. Be right back. I'm gonna go get some water for the BioSteel. Alright, I'm back and I got that cup of water as you can see. Alright, trying to show it to you that yes, I did get a cup of water, but I don't want to or just see, plain water. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and use this and dump it in here. I didn't know how much water to add. I had to put in the cup, so I'm going to go ahead and put it now. It's turning to water blue, and this is blue raspberry flavor. I ordered this 3 months ago, I think. Alright, now I'm just going to stir it. Almost everything I've gotten from Pinchme is sample sized, except for that Inky List oat cleansing balm. That was a full size product I got for free from Pinchme, which I opened in the previous video. So, as you can see, it turned the water blue. Alright, let's see. Sorry about that. It's yeah, you can barely see that, but so yeah. Now taste it. This is actually good. So good I done chugged the whole cup. Alright. So that's what I just got in the mail. So yeah. I also got the correct batteries for my remote. I also got me a new PlayStation 2 controller. I ordered a game for my PS2, which I haven't played that game in so long. I've done forgot how to play it and everything. And I gotta go through the tutorial again for it. I happen to be thinking about PlayStation 1 games that I miss playing. and I hopped on Amazon and I looked it up. Alright, so that's going to be about it for this video. Bye, y'all.